On the occasion of the 93rd anniversary of Indian Air Force, it's my proud privilege to be here and extend a very warm welcome to you all. This day, it's an opportunity for us to think about what has been done in the last 1 year and also celebrate from where we have started to which place we have reached. And also it is a time for us to pay our respect and be thankful to our predecessors, our veterans who have really guided us all these years and brought us to where we have landed up today. So the last 1 year, if I can start, I think the first thing that I must start with is Op Sindoor, because that was the highlight of this year gone by. In the aftermath of what happened in Pahalgam, we all know that we took a decision that we have to make them pay a price for whatever they have been doing and to avenge that, killings of the innocents. And a clear directive, clear mandate was given to the Indian Armed Forces, and Indian Air Force was the prime stakeholder in that, in terms of two major targets out of the 9 that were chosen towards terrorist camps were given to Indian Air Force to address. And I think the way that whole even went by, the way in the aftermath, that 3 or 4 days of conflict that we had with our Western neighbor, it stands as a lesson which will go down in history that this is one war that was started with a very clear objective, and it was terminated in a quick time without just prolonging it. We are seeing what is happening in the world. The 2 wars that are going on, there's no talk about termination, but we could make them reach a stage where they ask for a ceasefire, ask for termination of hostilities. And also we took a call as a nation to terminate those hostilities because our own objectives were met. I think this is something that the world needs to learn from us, and I have said this earlier also.